What's up guys, welcome to Bro Beats, and today I'm going to be showing you this plugin combo that will give you the ultimate control over your melodies, loops, or samples. So let's just get started. I'm gonna just play this melody and just show you the melody real quick. So really simple melody. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you what plugins that they are, and that would be either a gross beat or halftime and looperator. Okay, and why these is because you can manipulate the time with one of these. All right, with the half speed, and then same thing with this. And then with looperator, this is going to give you the ultimate control. I'm not sure if there's other VSTs like this, but I just know looperator, so this is why I'm mentioning it. But you can actually change where these slices are. So it's basically like you coming in here and slicing up a sample, except it's in here, and you have other things that you can do to it. So I'm gonna just play this girl's beat, or not this girl's beat, this halftime, and show you what it sounds like this. So maybe sometimes you use gross beat and you're like, okay, I like it, but there's this part that I don't want in there, or I just want to play out, or I want this part to play right before the second bar or something like that, right? There's always those situations where you want to change it. With looperator, you can actually do that. So with these two combined, you have the ultimate control over your melody. So if I wanted to say put this part here, you just go down here to slices, right? So I'll play it. So say if I wanted this part, this 7, to be where the 5 is, I would just put the 7 where the 5 is, right? And we can flip it. And then let's do it with this one too, just to kind of show you what it can do. So let's play it. Right, and you can get some really unique, chops and stuff, right? So that's pretty much it for that. I'm gonna just show you these presets I made just to kind of show you what it can do, and then play the beat so you can have like a reference to like an actual beat, what it would sound like. So I'm gonna play this one. I'll show you what it looks like, right? And I pretty much just move things over one. That's what it will sound like. All right, there's just something that you can do with it, and it's quick and it's easy and it's low on CPU, as you can see up here. Let's go down to this one and I'll show you what this one looks like. Okay, but here we go. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. I know there's probably a lot of people that will use looperator and have done this before, but I'm not sure if some people might not know about this, but you do now. So if this video helped you out, leave a like and comment, and make sure you subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.